चांद को घूंघट के नीचे छुपा के लाई तेरे लिए दुनिया से नजरें चुरा के।
पीछे कुआं आगे मेरे खाई, तू ही बता जाऊं मैं कहाँ, मुझको दुआ किसकी लगी भाई, आके पधारा हूँ जो यहाँ।
इल्ले फिकर आजा इधर, बीट पे लगा ले तू ठुमका।
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor. 1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor.
Hello everybody, so this is Kishore. So today we came at Gadaikal mountain. So we climbed almost 1.5 to 2 kilometers now, and this is my friend Sagar with so much stamina, and many people are there yet to come. We are waiting for them. So we are sitting here at the rock, one of the strong rock, and as you can see now our friends are coming. Still they are climbing. Some of them are tired, some of them sat somewhere, and here you can see them. This is Madhusudan and Karina and Ramya, and there that girl, the topper of our class, Rakshita, is sitting there. So let's go. As you can see, another group came. So this is another team. So this is Bindu, Deepu, and one nimsham. Irfan. So as you can see here, these girls also. This is Nandini and Anushka.
You see the topic. Namaste doston, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe and share.
Thanks. Love you. Forever.
Hello guys.
So another team is yet to come, another group. So I'm waiting for them. So another group came. Asane. Hasi, Vedika, Gayatri, Mallikarjun, Ankit, Sneha Matre and Rahul. How is the energy, guys?
Oh, I must stop talking to people before I.
All of them are so much tired. As you can see, the gap between each step is too high. Tired, huh? Tired? How is the view?
Fantastic. Just looking like
Phase 3.
Phase 3 begins.
Yeah, Kishore. What I want to say is just come and see the view. I want to show a view. So beautiful, so what is it?
Elegant.
So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
Just looking like Irfan.
We are winners.
ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತಾ ದೀಪು?
ಇನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿ.
ನಿನ್ಗೆ ರಕ್ಷಿತ?
ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.
ಬಿಂದು, ನಿನಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅನುಷ್ಕಾ, ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್.
ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ವ್ಯೂ?
ಮಸ್ತ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ.
Oh, see how much.
तुम्हें बोलना पसंद है, मुझे बोलते हुए तुम तुम्हें हंसना पसंद है, मुझे हंसते हुए।
उसके फोन में तेरा एक भी फोन
Just you can look. These guys are dancing like anything. So I am showing you the.
ಹೋಗಿ ಮಧುಸೂದನ್ ಅವರೇ ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ತಿ. ಅಂಕಿತ್
ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್
ಅದೇ ಫೋಟೋ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yes, Madhusudan, tell me where
भारत माता की
Jai Jai experience.
अब की बार 400 पार.
Nice.
As you can see, this place is just beautiful. Look at the view. We are enjoying it. So this is the topmost point of Gadaikal. So this place is located from near to the Beltangdi. So my friend is here. So tell about this place and get something. How is this place? Nodbeka. He's telling this place is very beautiful. Ingide first place.
This is a very beautiful place. You know, this clouds are hitting on my face. So
कामावर जायला उशीर झायला, बघतोय रिक्षावाला ग वाट माझी, बघतोय रिक्षावाला, बघतोय रिक्षावाला ग वाट माझी, बघतोय रिक्षावाला, बघतोय रिक्षावाला ग वाटेची, बघतोय रिक्षावाला, बघतोय रिक्षावाला ग वाटेची, बघतोय रिक्षावाला.
ಕುರ್ಚಿನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬೇಕಿದ್ ಆ ಕುರ್ಚಿನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬೇಕಿದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬೇಕಿದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬೇಕಿದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬೇಕಿದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬೇಕಿದ್.
ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಲು, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಲು, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಲು, ಸುಸ್ತುವಾಗಿ ಕುಸ್ತು ಬಿದ್ದೆ.
तूने बातें खोली कच्चे धागों में पिरोली, बातों की रंगोली से न खेलूं ऐसे होली मैं ना तेरा.
ಮುಂಗಾರು ಮಳೆಯೇ ಏನು ನಿನ್ನ ಹನಿಗಳ ಲೀಲೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಲ ಸಾಲೆ ಧರೆಯ ಕೊರಳ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಮಾಲೆ, ಸುರಿವೋಲುಮೆಯ ಜಡಿ ಮಳೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮೂಡಿ.
As you can see, we arrived here and so much rain started. So look at this beautiful. Everyone is enjoying so much dance and all. Now it's time for
Like I want to ask a PL student, what kind of phenomena are coming upside? Can you name the phenomena? What it is called as?
Yes, Madhu, answer.
According to me, I think it is called as transpiration, but sun is not there, so transpiration. But I don't think so. My answer is that accurate.
Condensation, because
Yeah, it may be condensation, but I don't think so. Condensation.
it's a wind flow.
Outside, right?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking it's transpiration.
No, it's condensation.
I agree with both.
As you can see, so much rain started here. When climbing up, there was so much heat, sunlight. Now yeah, you can see.
As you can see here, it's a very beautiful view. You can see all here fog. This is called Mother Nature. Yeah.
See fog here.
Yes, we love Mother Nature. Yes, Jai Jai. So much rain.
You are seeing that Kishore is recording all the memories which we are enjoying now. So I want you to focus on the cameraman, that is Kishore. And here we are there, the people of India.
Guys.
ಬಿಂದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಗಗನದ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀ ನನ್ನ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹಣೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಿಲಿಪಿಲಿ ಹಾಡು ಎಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಾಡು ಎದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಗಾಳಿ ತಂಪು ಗಾಳಿ ಊರ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆಯೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರ ಗಾಳಿಯೊಂದೇ ನನ್ನ ಉಸಿರಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ.
After 1 hour of continuous rain, now it has stopped. So we took the photo. As you can see,
This is
the
Mother
rain
Nature.
see the rain effect, how much it is.
Due to global warming, it may not see you in future.
That is also there.
So guys, just now we took a group photo. So we are going back to the bus. We are going back to our bus. So we are
Wait and watch for our next destination.
shivering like anything, shivering. So what will come do?
Yeah, very good nature. Hope due to global warming we may not see this type of nature in the future. अगर किसी को ये वीडियो मिले, अगर YouTube में अपलोड किया तो
तुम्हारे बतिया है काहे जरा
तड़पाए मुझे तेरी सभी
बिन तेरे संगम मर मिटेंगे
दीवानी झूठा ही सही प्यार तो कर मैं
social cause